This 2024 Coachmen Beyond 22RB AWD is a Class B RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen and features a gray, FOG interior, sleeps 2, and 28 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2024 Coachmen Beyond 22RB AWD is built on a Ford Transit 350 HD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.